here. We are on deck 11, room 531, and we have an interior stateroom.
Ladies and gentlemen,
here is the first view as we enter our stateroom. Right on the right hand side here as we go in, we have the bathroom. Has lots of hooks for towels. This is our shower here. It's not very spacious, but it's all you need. A few more hooks up here as well for any wet bathing suits. They do provide a shampoo and body wash all in one. We usually bring conditioner along with that to make sure that we get all of our knots out. And this is the shower. Moving on to the space in the bathroom, we do have a few shelves for storage and one little shelf here, a drawer. They provide face cloths, soap, bath mat, and towel. If you ever need anything, you can always ask your stateroom attendant. Here is the sink and a very large mirror. Some more hooks, and of course towels. Now moving on out from the bathroom, we have a little bit of storage here. Rachel and I will usually put our drinks there or our SeaPass cards, just somewhere easy to put those so that we never forget them when we leave the room in a hurry. Here we have a large full body mirror. Very nice mirror there. Our light switches are here. We have an on-off master switch, so that's really easy to just click when you leave the room. Click it off, obviously goes dark, and then click on for all of the lights, and then some more lights here. There is our couch here. We have just received one suitcase so far, just waiting on one more little one. So there is a nice big couch. Nice little table here. And this is our vanity area. We have some storage shelving right here. Nice TV. And they always leave any notes or anything that we may need right here on the table when we enter the room. So here's all of the shows and entertainment that will be on throughout our cruise. This is our New Year's cruise, so there's lots of holiday things going on as well. Rachel and I are both Diamond, so this is the Diamond Lounge letter that is always in our stateroom when we come in. And just some more Crown and Anchor Society things here. They do give us some waters and cookies just as a little welcome. And we have a nice spacious mirror here as well, along with a chair for doing makeup. Here we have 3 plugs for any charging we may need. This light switch here controls the light that's on the mirror. We have lots of storage in this cupboard here. So that's great for all of our stuff when we unpack here shortly. Underneath here we have some extra plugs. So if you're looking for a European port, there is one there, and then also another American port here. And moving on to some more storage, we have, of course, some drawers. They do provide a hair dryer for you. We have a few big drawers, and under here is a mini fridge. So if you have any drinks that you may need to keep cold, it is right in there. And moving on to the bed. They do have our bed set up as a queen. These are actually 2 single beds, so if we would like, they can separate the beds for us. Rachel and I may just keep it this way because it's easiest. There are some lights just above our bed here, and of course some side tables for more storage. These light switches control more lights in the room here. So now it's dark, We also do get a phone to call any other stateroom that we may need. And last but not least, some more storage here. This is our closet. In the closet, they provide a safe that you can set your own code to. Lots of shelving. And lots of hanging space. If you do ever need more hangers or anything for the room, they will absolutely get it for you. Just ask your stateroom attendant. They're all awesome. And that is going to conclude our Oasis of the Seas interior stateroom room tour. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.